Okay, since I've already got my sequin mix made, I thought, why not make some more of my pockets? If you haven't seen my previous videos on how I make these little pocket, I'm trying to think of the best way to get these sequins in here. Just grab, I guess. Grab and go. If you haven't seen how I make my little pocket shakers, they're quite simple and fun, and I've created a real quick sort of method to be able to create them. So I just take one of these baseball card sheets and I start filling it with sequins. And the interesting thing about this needs some more. The fuse tool is the key to a successful seal, and a fuse tool is definitely to make sure you heat it up well. So when I'm starting a project, like right now, as I'm filling these sequin pockets, I've got my fuse tool heated up. And if you give it a good 5 minutes to heat up, it'll be an even better seal. But we'll see how it does right after I have these filled up. So it's nice. A big part of the time that it can take to do a project like this is actually just making the shaker mix. So since I already had it done, and I have so many embellishments and not a lot of paper left, this is kind of a good sort of backdrop to use up a lot of the embellishments and sequins and things that I have. So I still have quite a bit left. So you can see, I don't measure. I just go in and grab a pinch full, and then I'll start sealing them up. So I just want to like come in with some fun little ephemera pieces here, just to get a good sense of kind of what I might think about creating. There's so many cute little bunnies and things. Certainly going to have a lot to work with. I wonder if I should even, that one piece, I wonder if I should even put some paper inside. How would that look? Let's take this, put it inside, and seal that in there. Something a little different. Okay, so I played around with that, and I decided to put paper in all of them because I actually sort of love the way this is going to look. And the shaker is almost like already decorated because the paper is part of it inside, built in. And the neat thing about it is the paper's not sealed down, so it can float about as well. Like some of them, like this one here, won't move at all because it is exactly the size of this pocket. But some of the other ones, like this one, can be moved around, and so can this, and the sequins can shake around. So that's kind of fun. So just some tips here. Always have paper underneath when you're sealing. It makes for a much better seal. I love this Crop and Create paper that I have because it's got a grid on it, so I can actually line it up. What I will do is I will come in with and do a double line. I will do, there's a line that naturally exists. I'll do one beside it so that I can cut in between the two. You could actually leave a whole row of them and create like a little mini album. Can't really see very well because of all the glare. Alright. So you could create a little mini album with these, like that kind of idea. Like fold them all together and have paper on the outside. I've seen stuff like that. But anyway, I always just make them into individual little pockets And I just come between those two lines that I've created. And you have to make sure to seal all the way up to the top. And cut off some of this excess at the top here. And there you go. Like, there is a simple, fun, gorgeous little shaker. And super quick and easy to create the set of these. And again, another fun little embellishment. I often will keep this on the side and I'll decorate this. I might put a ribbon in here or a charm or some washi along there. So I'm just going to leave that on there for now. I can cut it off if it's not working out for my project, but I leave it on just for a little while. But yeah, so this is super cute. And I can come in with my sticker sheet, like here, right here. Well, that's together on purpose. There we go. So this one, I can see just adding a sticker to the outside that says, "Hey there, bunny." Maybe at the bottom. "Hey there, bunny." This one might come in and add the bloom at the bottom of this guy there. Anyway, I'll go through and finish chopping those up and embellishing a little further on the outside, but I wanted you to see how I do that exactly. Okay, they are complete and they have turned out, well, just like this one says, so sweet. So I really am loving having that paper on the inside. I've come in with a variety of different products on the outside, so everyone is unique and different. This one has a little ephemera that says "So Sweet" stapled, a little foam sticker, and one of the stickers that says "Out in the Garden." So that is cute. This "Oh Happy Day," I just came in very simply and added a flower to that shaker. This one here, I added a fun umbrella. I actually popped it up on foam dots, and like I cut the foam specifically to match right alongside, so that's on there very securely, and adds a really cute little side touch. I put a little heart and a little gem on there, and that's quite cute. This one I kept very simple. I love it. It just says, "Hey there, bunny." And I love the simplicity of that one. This one is quite a bit more decorated. I put a strip, a scallop strip on the top there, and then the shaker in the middle with the watering can, the word "bloom," and then this bird with the feathers all behind it. It's really quite cute. So I like the layering effect that it provides. This is the simplest one that I did because I didn't really want to take away from the spring is in the air. I just put a little chipboard bow on the top there. And so this one is one of the more fancy ones. So because this bunny is the exact size of the pocket and won't move around, it gave me some flexibility to be able to actually put something in place where I knew the bunny would stay where it was. So I could glue something to the outside, not worrying about it moving around and then not having the bow in the right place. So I put a little bow on her ear. I took a branding strip because remember how I said we have those little side pieces that I leave on. It adds a little opportunity to decorate further. Well, I took one of the side pieces, a branding strip, and I stuck a sticker right over top that says Bunnies and Bloom. So that one is cute. This one I came in with a little Easter egg and it says Easter Day. So that one's sweet there. And then another one where I took advantage of the strip. I did cut the strip off the side of that one, but I left it on two of them. A branding strip. I punched a hole. The hole actually was in the middle here, but I punched it in up top and I tied a little charm and I added a little Hey Bunny chipboard. And so this little shaker pocket is just the cutest. So anyways, I'm loving all of these little shaker pockets. They're going to be a beautiful addition to the basket. So I'm going to keep going and see what else we can create. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.